Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 加 step by step. I will write in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's get started. 加 home or family. For example, 回家 to return home, go back home. Here is the sentence. I can go home. 我可以回家了。我可以回家了。I can go home. 我可以回家了。To write 加 in cursive. 加家 home family 回家 to return home. I can go home. 我可以回家了。Please comment any words or sentence with 加. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.